Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Ace 2V and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the section Sound and Vibration. Now let's scroll down to find the ringtone section and tap on the first option. As you can see, after tapping, we will be transferred to the whole list of defaultly installed ringtones from which you can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. What is more, here we've got the option Custom. So after tapping on it, we will be transferred to our own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded or recorded, you will be able to find them here and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to those, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check whether you like it or not. If you want to set it as a ringtone, you can of course check all of them, and if you will decide that you want to apply this option, so in my case this breeze, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.